All right, so get this. We've got a Trump PO.
A Trumpy meme coin.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's not just like, hiding out in some like shady corner of the internet.
Right.
This thing just landed on Binance, Coinbase,
Wow.
and Robinhood.
No way.
Yeah. Can you imagine? Like trying to explain that at a party a year ago?
Oh my gosh.
Right.
People's heads would explode.
Yeah, I mean, you might be thinking Memecoin. Seriously.
Yeah.
But here's the deal, right? Binance, Coinbase, Robinhood,
Mm-hmm.
these are the big leagues.
They are.
To get listed there is like basically like a stamp of approval.
Yeah.
Right? It opens the floodgates for all the everyday investors.
Right.
This isn't just some like, little crypto project anymore.
Exactly.
This is playing in the majors.
Absolutely.
So what do you make of this like coordinated rollout across these major platforms?
That's what's so fascinating to me, right?
Yeah.
Launching on all three simultaneously. That's a statement.
Yeah.
It's a power move,
Yeah. It suggests that the team behind Trump P is aiming for some serious impact on the market. And they want to be taken seriously,
Interesting.
even though it started as a meme coin.
So you're saying this could be like a total game changer.
Yeah.
Not just for meme coins,
Mm-hmm.
but for how new crypto projects like approach the market in general.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, think about it. You're
Yeah.
basically handing it to investors on a silver platter
Yeah.
if you're new to crypto,
Totally.
right? And you see Trump P
Yeah.
sitting there on Robinhood, like right next to your stocks.
Totally.
It suddenly feels familiar, accessible.
Right.
That's a huge shift
Huge.
in how people are perceiving and engaging with cryptocurrency.
Yeah, and it all started on January 17th with the official launch.
Right.
Binance was quick to jump on board.
They were.
They offered trading pairs with USDC and USDT just 2 days later.
So that brings us to the choice of blockchain. Solana,
Okay.
known for speed and large fees.
Makes
Yeah, makes it really appealing to people who are maybe less experienced with crypto.
Yeah.
Which is smart considering they're aiming for mainstream adoption, right?
Absolutely, though.
Yeah.
It is kind of ironic
Yeah.
that Coinbase, of all platforms,
I know.
seem to have some like integration hiccups.
It's pretty funny, isn't it? Coinbase, known for their robust infrastructure,
Yeah.
struggling with Solana just as this big new coin launches,
Oh, man.
makes you wonder if they were quite ready for all the new users, like just rushing to get Trump.
Right.
Yeah.
Speaking of rushing in, let's talk about that price surge.
Okay.
Robinhood announces they're listing Trump,
Yeah.
and bam, the price just skyrockets.
It went crazy.
What are some of the things that could have contributed to that jump?
Well, you've got the hype, right?
Yeah.
Around the launch itself.
Mhm.
The fact that it's so accessible now because it's on all these major platforms.
Yeah.
Plus, I mean, the name recognition probably doesn't hurt.
I was just going to say, yeah,
Right. I mean, all of that just adds fuel to the fire.
totally. And then there's this whole fully diluted valuation thing.
Right.
Can you break that down for us?
Okay, so imagine like all of the Trumpy coins that existed right now. Okay. That $60 billion figure we're seeing.
Right.
That's how much the whole market would be worth.
Yeah.
So the question is
Yeah.
the current price actually reflecting that potential?
Okay.
Or is this just a bubble?
Right. Is it worth the risk?
Exactly.
So, listener, put yourself in those shoes. Right. You got in early on Trump P.
Yeah.
Maybe saw the potential.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe thought it'll be a fun gamble.
Sure.
Now you're sitting on a pretty hefty profit.
Right.
Do you ride the wave, hoping it goes even higher?
Yeah.
Or do you cash out,
Yeah.
knowing that things could change just as quickly?
Absolutely.
Which leads to another question.
Okay.
And this is one I'm like genuinely curious about.
Hmm.
Could this be more than just a meme coin?
It's a good question.
Yeah.
It's definitely a question worth exploring. Could this become a tool for political fundraising
Wow.
or a new way to rally like online communities?
Interesting.
I mean, think about it. Meme coins have already disrupted traditional finance, right?
They have.
So why not the political sphere?
It's pretty wild to think about.
Yeah.
Who would have thought we'd be sitting here discussing a Trump-he meme coin
I know, right?
and its potential impact on, well,
Everything.
yeah, basically everything.
It's crazy.
The world of meme coins is far stranger and more influential than most people realize.
Sure.
So if you're feeling adventurous, do your own deep dive into this world. You might be surprised at what you discover.